Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladys Tech. Today we'll be talking about how to dislike all liked rings at once. If you're new to this channel, please do well to tap on the subscription bell and tap on the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. So for you to be able to dislike all your liked rings at once on Instagram, this is what you have to do. Tap open your Instagram. Tap on your profile, then tap on the three dots at the right corner of the screen. Okay, tap on your activity, the third one, then tap on likes. Now, these are the videos that we want to unlike. So what we have to do is to tap on select. So now you can select as multiple as all the number of videos that you want each to unlike and tap on unlike. All of these rings will be unliked immediately. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to tap on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.